Alright, rise and grind. I'm back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. Alright, you know what time it is. Grinding. Alright, we got this 2013 Chevy Traverse. That's what we got today. And as you can see, we have an alternator. Brand new gold. And we're gonna be replacing it. I'm gonna show you how. Alright, first and foremost, you want to disconnect your power wire. That's that there. Alright, get that out the way. Alright, next we got these two 10mm holding a coolant reservoir. Alright, get those out. Take this 10mm out. Holding the AC line. It is blocking it. You can see the alternator. Alright, now we're gonna go to the bottom, jack it up, passenger side, and take the belt off. These tabs here can open up to the bottom portion and get up under there. And that pulley right there is the belt tension. It has a 1/2-inch drive. I just used the breaker bar. That's what we use. All we do is just push it to your right. Now we're gonna push it towards the back. Should I say? See how it loosens? That belt will come off. Alright, now we back up at the top. That connector right there. Connectors going out. And that connector right there. 13mm. You can see how. Look at that. The wire. Bad. So what I'm gonna do is tape it up so it's not exposed. Yeah. That's the one you gotta be careful with because it's got power coming through. And that's why if you don't disconnect the battery, it will spark. Alright, so we're using for the top bolt. It's got a deep socket, 15. Alright, next we got this pulley right here. Alright. That pulley, that bolt is holding the bottom of the alternator. It has a bolt at the bottom and that's it. It's inside the pulley as well. So I'm gonna take that bolt out. That's how I'm getting that. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Okay, so this is the wrench that I use, 15mm. It's a ratchet wrench. Gotta look like that for the ratchet wrench. This is a regular wrench. That's the regular one. Alright. So this one is a good one to use because you don't have to keep on taking it off the bolt to get back in position to tighten or loosen. As you can see, that bolt stops right there. But the pulley is loose. It's loose, we're good. So now we can move the alternator. See how the alternator moving? Okay, so I removed it and I got it just hanging. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off that pulley while I got a chance. Just so I don't lose nothing. Let's go ahead and take it out. That's how it looks. If anybody was to drop it and can't figure out how it goes, I'll show you how it is. That can get difficult, man. It really can be difficult trying to piece it back together the right way. Because if you don't put it back the right way, it can make noise. So I went ahead and took off the engine cover. So it sits in there like that. Everything matching up. Alright, so what I'm seeing here, I see all this burn. It's been melting. So basically, this wire was creating that. Look at that wire. So I'm gonna tape that wire up so it doesn't arc anywhere and creates this type of situation here. Alright, man, that thing taped up. Look a lot better. No exposed wires. See how all of that is covered up. I don't have these with me, so this is going to work. That right there is kind of like bulky. It's in the way, so you know, just squeeze by that and you'll be good. I got the new alternator down in there. I'm gonna go ahead and put that pulley back on there. Put it back in the hole, and now I'm gonna go back up top and put it in the position. Tighten it down. All right, back in with that bolt there. Got the pulley back on. Got the belt back on. We gotta add the connectors, plug them up. Alright, let's get it started up. That battery voltage, look where it's at, 14. It was like down below, it probably was like at that first line below it. And it was reading the voltage was low. So yeah, man, battery was not being charged by the alternator. That's it, man. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Y'all get at me. Be blessed.